Looking to buy, sell, or rent property in Kumbakonam? Your search ends with Kumbakonam Free Ads, the most trusted real estate experts in town. We specialize in connecting property owners and buyers with the best deals, offering reliable, budget-friendly, and hassle-free services. Our dedicated team provides end-to-end support, including personalized site visits, powerful advertising campaigns, expert price negotiations, legal guidance, and seamless paperwork handling. Whether you're selling your dream home, leasing commercial space, or searching for the perfect property, we ensure smooth, transparent, and profitable transactions every time. Don't waste time with unreliable options. Choose Kumbakonam Free Ads for the smartest real estate solutions. Call us today or visit online to get started. Attention business owners, bankers, IT professionals, and entrepreneurs in Kumbakonam. Are you looking for a spacious and fully approved commercial office space in the heart of the city? Presenting an exclusive office space for rent on Kavrai Street opposite Arignar Anna Government Higher Secondary School, Kumbakonam. This independent commercial villa offers 4 spacious rooms, spread across 2,250 square feet, perfect for banks, finance companies, IT offices, consultancies, and more. Best features of this property includes 1. Dual road facing north and west. 2. Wide 23 and 40 feet roads. 3. Covered car and two-wheeler parking. 4. 3-phase EB connection, water facility, and approved structure. And all this for just 25,000 rupee per month with negotiable terms. Advance to ₹50,000 only. For site visits and bookings, contact Mr. Rana Pratap at phone number 9343834393 or 96556-9090. Located at 1 Kavrai Street, Kumbakonam, opposite Arignar Anna Government School, this north-facing 2,250 square feet commercial villa offers 4 spacious units, dual road access, 23 feet north, 40 feet west, covered parking, 24/7 water, and 3-phase EB, perfect for high-visibility businesses. If you are looking to expand or establish your business headquarters in a prime, well-connected part of Kumbakonam, this spacious independent commercial property is the perfect match. Whether you're running a bank branch, finance company, IT office, consultancy, or any other professional firm, this location is designed to enhance your operations and brand visibility. This exclusive first-floor commercial unit offers a versatile open hall, perfect for displays or workspaces, 2 soundproof private offices for meetings, a functional pantry with storage, and clean restroom facilities featuring abundant steel racks for organization, 360 degrees cross-ventilation keeping the space fresh, bright LED lighting throughout, and smart storage solutions under staircases, walls. The layout effortlessly adapts to medical clinics, waiting hall plus doctor cabins, retail showrooms, display area plus staff rooms, or corporate offices, workstations plus conference spaces. Spacious office hall area, expansive open concept workspace with high ceilings and flexible layout for teams, training, or showrooms. Secure and spacious office storage area, ideal for document archives, inventory and safekeeping with organized rack systems. Step into sophistication with this executive office suite, a generously proportioned, private workspace designed exclusively for senior leadership. The airy, well-ventilated cabin features floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light while offering panoramic views, complemented by a state-of-the-art air circulation system for optimal airflow year-round. Premium European Water Closet, EWC, toilet, modern, hygienic and space-saving design for luxury bathrooms. This expansive office pantry area offers versatile multi-purpose functionality, featuring abundant heavy-duty racks and modular shelves for optimal storage of supplies, snacks, or kitchen equipment. Are perfect for use as an employee break room, catering prep zone, or organized storage hub. Step into our thoughtfully designed ergonomic staff lounge, where comfort meets functionality. The unique step-down seating area creates a relaxed, conversational atmosphere perfect for unwinding during breaks. Large windows and strategically placed vents ensure excellent natural airflow, while the built-in smart storage racks or with modular shelves and labeled compartments keep everything from office supplies to personal items neatly organized. Plush, supportive seating and warm lighting complete this rejuvenating space that shows your team they're valued. Imagine stepping into your own private executive suite on the second floor, a space that effortlessly transforms to fit your needs. Whether you need a quiet conference room for client meetings today, a creative studio for your design team tomorrow, or even a temporary stay suite for visiting executives next week, this adaptable space has you covered. With soundproof walls that keep distractions out, floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the area with natural light, and smart storage solutions hidden throughout, you'll love how the space evolves with your business. The private access gives you that VIP feeling, while the premium finishes like acoustic panels and wood veneer surfaces make every meeting feel important. It's not just an office, it's your business's flexible, future-ready command center designed to impress clients and empower your team. This exclusive private terrace offers the perfect setting for office parties, networking events, and sunset gatherings, featuring a spacious layout with weather-resistant furnishings, ambient lighting, and panoramic views to create memorable experiences. Equipped with power outlets for entertainment systems and designed for both intimate conversations and group activities, it seamlessly transitions from daytime business mixers to evening social events, making it an ideal premium outdoor extension of your workspace. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your company name shining on a premium storefront in Kumbakonam's hottest business district. This isn't just space, it's a growth rocket waiting for you. From the moment your clients walk in, they'll feel your success. Crystal clear branding onto busy roads, hassle-free parking, and a prestigious, no brokerage deal directly with the owner. For less than the price of a daily coffee per employee, just 25,000 rupees per month, negotiable, you get 1. Instant credibility with a high-visibility standalone building. 2. Freedom to design your perfect workspace, no landlord restrictions. 3. Zero downtime with 24/7 power, water, and approval sorted. Last month, 3 businesses missed this opportunity. Will you be the smart one who acts today? Grab your phone right now and call us. Call Mr. Rana Pratap at +91 9343834393 +91 9655629090. Want first access to Kumbakonam's hottest properties? Check Kumbakonam free ads online now for live real estate updates.